So this is going to be 17POP147148. Let's random the first name letters here. And we're going to hit this 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right, so J is at the bottom, A is at the top, so we're going to copy that. And we're going to bring it right on over here to our spreadsheet. We're going to do the same thing with our owner list, everybody that bought into the break. So we've got Gary at the bottom, Rod, you're at the top. We're going to copy, go to random, and we're going to hit random 7 times. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So Gary, you're at the bottom, Rod A, you're at the top. Going to copy that, and then we're going to pop this in, no pun intended, to our spreadsheet here. So now we're going to screen share this to the main screen. That is the letters you have for the sake of YouTube recording, and we are going to pop this on the screen just like that so you can see it. All right. DW, David W. What are you saying you want me to check? Let me see. I can check for you. Let me see real quick. I will check for you real fast. Let's see. All right, so you good? We good on this? You still need me to check? Or are we good? All right, he said that was on him. He didn't check out. Okay. All right, so let's do it. 147, 148. Let's see if the case hit is in this break or not. We will see. Boom, 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 boom. All right. So first up, is there another spot left? Not in this one. I can check the other one for you. But in this one, there is not a spot left. In the other one, there is 1 spot left, yes. All right, so here we go. We have Deb, so no case hit in this one. That's Deb from Napoleon Dynamite. And who has D? That is AV. So AV, you just got Deb, which I think is hilarious. She's one of the funniest ones from Napoleon Dynamite here. And part of the Napoleon Dynamite collection is your boy Kip. Is on. You got Napoleon, Pedro, Kip, Deb, and Uncle Rico. So hilarious. So AV, that one's going out to you, man. You got Deb. So let's see if the case hit is in this one here. We shall see. I know, Uncle Rico for the win. Should have won state. All right. So let's see what we have here. Let's see. So good luck, guys. And let's see what's in this one. And let's see. That is our case hit. Case hit here, which is in the hard Funko case. Can knock on this thing. It is a T. This is the Joker Bank Robber. This is a rare one to get here. And who has T? Who has T? This one's awesome, by the way. And this collection is Batman, the Joker, and the Joker Bank Robber. So who's got T? T is Gary G. So Gary G, you just got a really, really good one, man, right there. Check that out. So Gary G, it's the Joker Bank Robber. That's just nasty, dude. So that one is pretty nasty. The Joker Bank Robber. So that one's going out to the Joker. TTT is going out to Gary G. So Gary, man, you've been ripping it up, dude. You've had quite a run on these Funkos here.